Hello, namaste everyone. I am Bagiswori. As a social studies teacher and writer, at the moment I am presenting one of the best social studies project, class 10. Yes, aim high, reach higher. Bagiswori Secondary School, Chamasing, 9th October. A report on map works and submission date 2076 10/5. Yes, it may be old, but it remains best in terms of map work of different parts. Second page, here we have acknowledgement. Third page, content. Fourth page, introduction. In this way, North America, South America, Africa and Nepal's map introduction. And here on next page we have Nepal's map. It looks attractive. Here we can find her presentation. This map work is of Sampada Awal. She has presented, decorated in this way in terms of Nepal's map and in terms of index, peak, capital, provincial capital, coffee area, highway, airports, river, lake, temple, stupa, tea area, protected area and many more. I'm not saying in detail, but you can look at in effective way, so you need to make most of it. And second, Nepal's map, in this way she has presented three Nepal's map. In number one, Nepal's map, compared to Nepal's map number one, in this map we can find another protected areas, sugarcane areas, highway, airport, oil seed area, river, peak and temples. And third, Nepal's map, once again protected area, highway, river, peak, city, temple, jute area, cotton area. Moving on, next here we have province number 2. In terms of province number 2, she has presented in this way capital, city, river, highway, protected area. And entering into province number 2, no hydropower is possible over here, no hill and Himalayan area. It is smallest. It is the smallest province of Nepal. And she has written protected area in green color or pen. And she has presented Mahindra Highway, Parsa Wildlife Reserve, Janakpur, it is provincial capital, Rajviraj, Saptakosi, and neighboring places like province number 1 in the eastern area, northern area Bagmati province, southern area India, and Bagmati in the western area. Next, Bagmati province. Next, province number 2's map, I must say. We can find river, temple, airport, railway, but rather than that, I wrote from pencil. Here we have sugarcane, tobacco area. From left to right, I'm saying Parsa Wildlife Reserve, Birganj. I'm correcting Parsa district. I'm saying Parsa district rather than Parsa Wildlife Reserve. Then Birganj, Simara Airport, Kalia City, Bara District, Rohtak District, Mahottari District, Dhanusa District, Siraha District, Saptari District. In this way, 8 districts are found over here in province number 2. And in terms of religious place, Gadimai, Jaleshwar, Gadimai in Bara District, Jaleshwar in Mahottari, Janaki Temple in Dhanusha. Then after we can find railway, Jayanagar Janakpur Railway. Then after Rajbiraj, in Rajbiraj we can find airport and Chinnamasta. I'm not forgetting Chinnamasta, which is located in the Saptari as a holy place. Entering into North America. In this way, North America, we must write, we must sketch. Rather than writing, we must sketch. In this way, in the examination, it comes in long question answer carrying 7 marks. So, sea, ocean, river, lake, peak, Great Lakes, Lake Superior, Michigan, Huron, Erie, Ontario. Every lake is shown, inserted in an attractive way on this map. Now we start from Greenland. Beaufort Sea, River Yukon, Mount McKinley, Great Bear Lake, Great Slave Lake, Hudson Bay. Biggest bay, largest bay in the world is Hudson Bay, whereas largest gulf in the world is Gulf of Mexico. Atlantic Ocean, Newfoundland, Labrador Sea, St. Lawrence, Great Lakes, Winnipeg, Lake Winnipeg, Columbia River, Mount Whitney, Colorado River, Mount Albert, Rio Grande, Mississippi, third largest and longest river in the world after Nile and Amazon, then after Caribbean Sea, according to this map. In a similar fashion, on next map we can see Baffin Bay, Baffin Island, Appalachian Mountain, Great Plains, Prairies, Rocky Mountain, biggest mountain range in the world, Mackenzie Mountain, Bering Strait, which separates North America from Asia, the Pacific Ocean in the west, then Death Valley, Grand Canyon, Canadian Shield, Victoria Island, and many more. Moving on, next here we have yet again North America. Here we can find Arctic Circle, which is located at an 66 and a half degree. Then after Tropic of Cancer, into Northern Hemisphere, Havana, capital of Cuba, Miami, Mexico City, capital of Mexico country, Panama Canal, which separates North America from South America, LA means Los Angeles, Ottawa, Canadian capital, New York City, Boston, Washington DC, Whitehorse, and many more. In this way, capital city, canal are shown on this map. Moving on, next here we have South America. In terms of South America, Caribbean Sea, Maracaibo Lake, Orinoco River, Angel Falls, 979 meter, world's longest waterfall. Then after Amazon River, mouth of Amazon River, not Atlantic Ocean, Cotopaxi, Mount Cotopaxi, Lake Titicaca, Iguazu Falls, Parana, and Paraguay River, Aconcagua, highest peak of South America. Then after South Atlantic Ocean, Falkland Islands, and in the western side, Pacific Ocean. Map number 3 of South America, the Caribbean Sea, the Atlantic Sea, Amazon Basin, which is also called selvas. I mean, selvas means tropical rainforest, evergreen rainforest, is also known as equatorial rainforest. Marajo Island, Campos, which is savanna grassland. Campos is in Brazil, Pampas is in Argentina. River Plate, Gulf of San Jorge, and importantly, Andes mountain range, which is the longest in the world. And another information here we have Galapagos Island, Equator. Here we can find in this portion nearby Equator. I must correct, this is previous South America's map is number 2 and this is map number 3. Panama Canal, Caracas, capital of Venezuela, Georgetown, Equator, and Quito, city of spring, Basanta Ritiko Shahar, Lima, capital of Peru, La Paz, capital of Bolivia, Brasilia, capital of Brazil, Rio de Janeiro, Sao Paulo, Asuncion, Montevideo, capital of Uruguay, then after Santiago, capital of Chile. Buenos Aires, this is Buenos Aires, capital of Argentina. Moving on, next, Africa. So in terms of Africa, map number 1, Mediterranean Sea in the northern side, Atlantic Sea on the northwest side, then after Mount Sinai, Nile River, the longest river in the world, Red Sea in the northern eastern area, Indian Ocean in the eastern area, Madagascar, then after Lake Turkana, Victoria Lake, Lake Tanganyika, Malawi, Zambezi River, Victoria Falls, Orange River in this way, Cape of Good Hope, Congo Jar River, Lake Chad, Niger River, Volta River, and in the western side, South Atlantic Ocean. And this number 1, here we can find this number 1 is Mount Kilimanjaro. It is the highest mountain in the Africa continent. Lake Tana, I am forgetting this. This point is this lake is known as Lake Tana, and next to this map, yet again we have Africa's map, Canary Island, Atlas Mountain Range, and symbol indicated by red color, Sahara Desert, the biggest desert in the world, and the gold area indicated by yellow color, Savannah grassland, Ethiopian highland, Madagascar Island, I have already told, Kalahari Desert, and Namib Desert. In this way we can look at. Last of all, once again, Africa, here we have Tropic of Cancer. One can look at Tropic of Cancer, then Strait of Gibraltar, that separates Europe from Africa. Then Suez Canal separates from Asia. Suez Canal separates Africa from Asia. Cairo, capital of Egypt. Gulf of Aden, Somali Peninsula, Great Rift Valley, Equator at 0 degree longitude, latitude I must say, Gulf of Guinea, Prime Meridian also we can look at. Then after Mozambique Channel, Tropic of Capricorn, Cape Town of South Africa, Rift Valley. Yes, all items are not found over here. It is impossible to show all the items that may be desert, grassland, climate in only 3 maps, but I have already declared that it is the one of the best social studies project in class 10. This video is, or I believe that this video is or will be very, very fruitful for SE appearing students. That's why I am frequently saying social studies for SEE. Subscribe my YouTube channel for information and innovation. Like, comment and share. I will be back with next social studies related video. For today, this much for today. Thanks goes to our Sampada Awal, Bagiswori Secondary School, SEE 9, Bhaktapur. Thanks for watching.